Rosie, dear, we may have a slight inconvenience.
Oh? What is it, Alastor?
She's awake.
Don't worry. She's tied tightly.
What are you freaks doing?
Well, let's just say we're going to have a nice little breakfast with you. Don't worry, my dear.
Please.
We'll leave a present for your friends.
Vox, do you know where Velvette is?
No. Why?
She's not answering my calls. And I wanted to talk to her about my new idea for... Ugh. Vox, look at me when I am talking to you.
Wait, about that stupid hat.
It's not stupid. But yes.
I thought you were going to talk to her about it after the Overlord meeting?
She didn't show up?
Wait. You haven't seen her since?
No.
It was 3 days ago! And her last post was from the meeting! That's not like her at all.
Do you think something happened?
I don't know, Val. I'll try to find her phone.
Okay.
Good morning, sinners of hell! Today, we have a very special guest. Our little guest wants to remind you who the radio demon really is. The name of our guest is Velvette, an overlord from the so-called V's. Say hello to our listeners, Velvette.